In this video, I want to show you how to reset your HP LaserJet Pro 3001DW. So in case you're having issues with your printer, before trying to reset, what I always suggest is to go on the back of the printer, unplug this cable over here, the power cable, wait around 2 minutes and then plug it back. Many times this will solve the issue and you won't have to reset the printer. Now, if the issue persists and you absolutely want to factory reset, what you need to do is to go on the control panel right over here. And we need to press this button on the top, the one with an arrow and an X, at the same time as the I button. Okay, both of them for 5 seconds. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Wi-Fi button will start blinking. Lift your fingers, and this is about it. Now you can go ahead and reconnect your printer to your phone, to your computer, to your Wi-Fi network, do all the stuff you did in the past, and it should work. Now, it's very important that you do this small combination key while the Wi-Fi button is not blinking. So press on it. So in case your button is blinking blue like it is right now, press on it once and do the 5 seconds, okay, press on these two buttons and it should work. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.